Okay, this is a tutorial showing you how to create a folder to share with other people. In this case, you'll be creating a folder to share with me. So open up your drive. Okay, and you can display your drive in two different formats. You can display it either like this, or you can display it in list form. For the purpose of the tutorial, I'm going to keep it like this. I think it's going to be easier for you to follow along. So I'm going to go New, Folder, and you're going to name that folder with your name. And then the name for the course. Okay, and it will be created. Okay, notice Ann Smith is up here. You're going to click on that folder because you're going to make some subfolders inside of it. So you're going to go New, Folder, and this is going to be your first assignment for the course, 21st Century Learners. And we'll go Create. And notice I'm doing it visually, so you could see it. For list, it would be underneath in list format. Now I'm going to create a new one for the next assignment, new folder, and this one is digital citizenship. And you have two that have very similar names. I'm going to call this one Research, just to distinguish. Okay, so a second folder has popped up here. And now within, again, Ann Smith, for the course, we're going to create a third one. And this one is going to be the last major assignment you have in the course. So when you create these projects using Google Docs or other features in Google Drive, let's say, you need to put them inside these folders. Now, what I need to have you do is go here, pick Share, and then type in my Gmail. Okay, and make sure you pick Can Edit. Okay, and then you're going to send it to me, and you can write a little note. And I'm going to go send. Now that will pop up in my Gmail. There it is. Okay, when I click on it, it's going to obviously open it up. Now, of course, I created this for the demo purposes, but if you're sending to me, that would not be the case. Okay, now I want to go back to Open in Drive. Okay, and actually, because I was creating this for the demo, it's within my own Google Drive, but hypothetically, when you send it to me, it wouldn't be. So I would have to go to Shared with Me to find it. And that's really where you find what other people have sent to you that have shared it with you. Okay, but in this case, again, I was creating it. These are just a variety of different documents that have been shared with me. So that's the basic process. I will also, while I'm here, show you how to create your own folder for our course. So you would go New, Folder. And in this case, you could just call it 536 EDUC, and you might want to also include in that Fall 2015. And this is where you can store different documents with your course or your own private documents. You wouldn't be sharing this. It's just for you to find it in your own Google Drive. Okay, so you've created that particular one. And that's the one I just created. Now, you can see I have a lot of folders, so I do like to color code them. So I'm going to click on that folder for now and show you how you would color code it. So I've had that selected, and I would go over here. Okay, over here. And you can change the color. And in this case, let me just make an easy color for you to see right now. I'll make it red. Okay, and you see how that has turned red? Now let me just also show it to you in list format. So when I go to the list format, okay, and I go to my drive. These are just some other temporary ones, but I do like to color code. So looking down here, you can see what has happened with the color coding. Okay, here's the one I just created for our class, Ann Smith. Okay, and what I'll show you is, notice the little arrow here? That will open up those subfolders. So that's where you would find it. Now let me go back here and just to demo one more time to color code it. More actions. Let me change the color and make Ann Smith's this lovely lavender color. Okay. Sorry, it's taking a bit here. Okay, and Smith still needs to be changed right here. Let me try one of the subfolders for now. Might be having internet connection, so we'll stop there. I think you got the idea though.